next section in the FAQs is mounting. I have a lot of questions about mounting devices over the years, so we've compiled some questions to helpfully answer the majority of people's questions. We need some basic mounting ideas for switches, communicators, and etc. Right here we have, to start out with, this is our switch easel, item number 1489L. And this will accommodate switches and communicators. This has an adjustable section in the back with two different, it's all Velcro held in, two different height adjusted bars so that you can change an infinite amount of angles within the range. You place these back here and you can lock in different heights. The communicator can be put on at many different angles, which allows you to put the device upright. This is one of many mounting items that we're going to go over today. Now I'd like to show you how we can mount a communication device using some of our many mounting systems. I have here with me today our mounting platform, item number 1632, and this is designed to mount communication devices. I'm going to just show you quickly how that works. This is a heavy-duty clamp and mounting system. You just have a turn handle here, which once you put this on your tabletop or a wheelchair, will go on the bars of a wheelchair. You just tighten this by hand, just by turning a handle. Once you've got that secure, you can now, I'm actually going to turn this for your benefit to see. Once you have it set in a position, this is a bendable arm, it actually moves in any articulation. So once you have it set to the location you want, you tighten the center wheel, and this would allow you to lock this in place. And then your communicator can be held in with these Velcro straps. You can also put Velcro right on this board if you wanted to as well for a little bit of added security. This interferes with the device. And there's some tracks on the back here that the Velcro is around, and you can bring that up around here. Open it. And this Velcro goes the whole length to the back of the plate so that it can be moved out of the way to accommodate different types of communicators for their size. And that holds the device pretty securely. And like I said, you can also add Velcro to the plate directly as well. So I just want to give you a side profile of this so you can see what we're looking at. And you can see how that's held in place. And this is completely adjustable. A great mounting setup is for mounting switches. This is our light duty magic arm number 7756. You can view that in our catalog and of course on our website as always. This is a really nice mount. There's many different parts that come with this to allow you to adjust the height or the length of your mounting system for the varying size switches and also for different locations, mounting on tabletops, wheelchairs, bed rails, etc. So what I'm going to show you right now is just how to mount one of our basic gumball switches to a wheelchair. And I've selected just two of the mounting rods. Here's our clamp. You put your selected or desired size rod and lock it in place with this. No tools are required. You just tighten this in by hand, and then you select your location of the wheelchair where you would like to mount this. Then you just tighten with our universal clamp. Secured, and you can affix another arm, and this is a 3-inch circular plate with a ball joint, which allows you even more adjustability once the switch is mounted, so you can angle it, change the location or position. Okay, we'll once you have that selected, you can tighten up your arm. And this can be driven, you can slide this up or down to adjust the angle. And I just tighten that up here. Then you have your mounting plate. And here's one of our gumball switches. And all you need to do for this, you can make it a much more secure mount if you really want. You can screw these plates in, but just heavy duty Velcro works just as well. And which allows you to remove the switch very easily. It's semi-permanent. Place your Velcro on top. And lock it in place. And now you have a mounted switch. And right along with our mounting systems, this is a stay put easel 1484, which is a fixed mount, set angle, and you can clamp this with a C-clamp or other type of clamps. There's Velcro tracks on the top, and you can place your communicators right here. You can also put Velcro on the back of the communicators, and it holds the product very nicely at a good upright angle for the user. It's made out of heavy-duty 1/4-inch plastic. It's very sturdy, and it will hold a variety of communicators, small and large. Also, you can use this for mounting, setting up switches, and some other type of devices as well. Another great tabletop mount is our adjustable mounting system, item number 1021. This is a really great mount, and I really recommend this for anybody who needs a tabletop mount. It's made out of aircraft aluminum, heavy duty, and what you have on the bottom, I'll show you here, is an adjustable slot, which is adjusted with this Allen key. You can angle this mounting arm to these varying different positions. You can either just leave this standalone, or it can be clamped with one of our C-clamps that come with it. It does come with one C-clamp. And you have the ability to adjust this arm and raise it to height. And then once you have that all set, use the Allen key to lock this in place. But this is a really good mount for a communicator. I'm just going to turn it around. Place your communicator on the 3x5 mounting plate. And I have some heavy duty Velcro on here, which is what we're using to mount it. And you have the ability, like I said, to adjust. You can adjust the height and also the angle if you want on the communicator. You have an infinite amount of positions that this can be placed in. Let me show you a side view to see what I'm talking about. And then you can also adjust on the bottom as well with the tracks. You can position it to the left or to the right, forward or backward, depending on the user, if they need it closer or farther away from them.